What's up, quiz champs? Welcome to the quiz arena. Today, we've got some questions that will make you think twice, and maybe even learn something new. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive right in. If you're ready to dig deep and have some fun, let's jump into the quiz and see who's got the skills. First, subscribe my channel. Ready for easy level. Guess the fruit. Apple. Guess the fruit. Banana. Guess the fruit. Mango. Guess the fruit. Grapes. Guess the fruit. Orange. Guess the fruit. Pear. Guess the fruit. Watermelon. Guess the fruit. Pineapple. Guess the fruit. Strawberry. Guess the fruit. Cherry. Guess the fruit. Peach. Guess the fruit. Papaya. Guess the fruit. Kiwi. Guess the fruit. Plum. Guess the fruit. Apricot. Guess the fruit. Lychee. Guess the fruit. Lemon. Guess the fruit. Raspberry. Guess the fruit. Pomegranate. Guess the fruit. Blueberry. Guess the fruit. Coconut. Guess the fruit. Guava. Guess the fruit. Fig. Guess the fruit. Blackberry. Guess the fruit. Dragon fruit. Guess the fruit. Lime. Guess the fruit. Sea grape. Guess the fruit. Melon. Guess the fruit. Cranberry. Guess the fruit. Honeydew. Guess the fruit. Clementine. Guess the fruit. Date. Guess the fruit. Avocado. Guess the fruit. Elderberry. Guess the fruit. Grapefruit. Guess the fruit. Gooseberry. Guess the fruit. Mulberry. Guess the fruit. Olive. Guess the fruit. Passion fruit. Guess the fruit. Persimmon. Guess the fruit. Quince. Guess the fruit. Satsuma. Guess the fruit. Starfruit. Guess the fruit. Tangerine. Guess the fruit. Red currant. Guess the fruit. Breadfruit. Guess the fruit. Acerola. Guess the fruit. Kobwaku. Guess the fruit. Grumikama. Guess the fruit. Jujube. Guess the fruit. Custard apple. Guess the fruit. Kumquat. Guess the fruit. Loquat. Guess the fruit. Jacaranda. Guess the fruit. Pine beetle. Guess the fruit. Mangaba. Guess the fruit. Tamarind. Guess the fruit. Suriname cherry. Guess the fruit. Sapota. Guess the fruit. Rambutan. That's a wrap. Hope you had fun quizzing with us. Make sure to hit subscribe if you want more questions just like these.